What you doing? You chewing on that horse foot there, Gibbs? That's a yummy horse foot you got there. Yeah, playing with the horse. Look at you just standing up, leaning on your table there. Standing up so good. Say hi, Grandma. I love you. Good job. Grandma, I want to see you every day. I wish I could see you every day so you could see me play. And say, Uncle Anthony, see, I do play with manly horses, not just My Little Ponies. He's got a little Dada. Oh, say hi, Dada. And say, Dada, I love you. I'm excited to see you when you get home. Gibson, say bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.